Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals, high ping and packet loss. My friends, go to Google and type in Letrix latency fix, like that. Now go to this WoW interface website, download the application. Let me tell you what to do next. After you have downloaded the application, it's very straightforward and easy to install it. Just double click on this .exe file. You need to do nothing else but to click on install. As you can see, my application is already installed. As you can see, status installed. In your case, it's going to be uninstalled. Just press on it. After that, 100% reboot your system. This is very important, otherwise the changes will not be applied. So basically, in simple terms, what this app does, this is the amazing free application that reduces your ping, stabilizes your connection, online connection in any online game, no matter what you're playing. So if you're playing Fortnite, Counter-Strike, Dota, no matter what, right, any game that you play online, this application makes sure that you have the most stable connection possible. It reduces your ping, your packet loss is just wonders. Absolutely use this one. Alright, and the next app we have is the TCP optimizer. Let me show you where to get it. Alright, so just type in TCP optimizer. As you can see, first link, go to it and download it. There's a download link right here. Alright, so this is where you download it. After that, just go back. Okay, after that, just go back, open it up, and guys, what you need to do here is basically displayed on this screenshot here. So you just press on the custom right here, okay, and set all of the settings that the way I have set them here. This is my own screenshot that I've made after performing the all of the necessary tweaks. So this app will basically dive in even deeper into your system's internet settings and optimize them even more. It will disable all offload settings. Offloading is basically a power setting that your Windows has to basically preserve some of your internet and waste less bandwidth, but that actually results in packet loss and higher ping. So this app makes sure to disable that and actually make your ping better. This is the first page, and in the second page, guys, you set all of the numbers the way I have them set in here. Okay, so 10, 10s, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Just copy all of the settings, and not only the numbers, also you can see these drop down menus, right? So you can, as you can see, optimal gaming. This is very important, by the way, system responsiveness setting for gaming, because we are gaming. Absolutely set this to gaming 0, okay? And everything else, just copy it all. And after using these tweaks, guys, I guarantee you, you will have lesser ping, less packet loss, and your overall experience in your game will become much better. Press like on this video, subscribe, see you next time.